How to change email on Spotify. 1. Open the Spotify application. 2. Select this. 3. Select Settings and Privacy. 4. Select Account. 5. Select Account Overview. 6. Scroll down. 7. Select Edit Personal Information. 8. Select Email. 9. Enter your new email. Ten. Select Save Profile. 6. Your email has been changed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.